In this video you will learn how to trade gold on Pocket Option. Log into Pocket Option account, open the Pocket Option website or mobile app, then sign into your account using your registered email and password. Fund your account. Deposit money into your trading account using the preferred payment method. This could be a bank card, cryptocurrency or e-wallet. Select gold as the trading asset. On the trading dashboard, click the asset list and choose gold or XAU/USD from the available instruments. Analyze the gold chart. Use technical indicators, time frames or chart patterns within the Pocket options to study the current price or movement of gold. Choose the trade direction and amount. Decide whether the gold price will go up or down. If up is called a call and down is called a put, then enter the amount you want to invest in a trade. Confirm and monitor your trade. Click start to place your trade, then monitor its progress in real time. Once the option expires, the profit or loss will automatically appear in your account. Now you know how to trade gold on Pocket Option. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.